Hello class. Have you ever contemplated the miraculous process by which a single egg and sperm combine to develop into a complete human being? Wait. I need to ask one more question. Where does development of human embryo takes place?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, sure.
Human embryo development takes place in the female reproductive system.
Okay, then. Let me explain the parts of female reproductive system, firstly, to you. This is female reproductive system. It has fallopian tubes, vagina, cervix, uterus, and ovary. So, every month, one mature egg leaves your ovary, called as ovulation. It then travels to fallopian tube. If sperm gets into female, sperm can swim up through her cervix, uterus, and fallopian tubes, searching for an egg. Millions of sperms come out during each ejaculation. But it takes one sperm to meet with an egg. Well, embryogenesis is the process by which a single fertilized egg develops into a complex multicellular organism. In this case, a human being. But what's the significance of this process in understanding human biology and development? So, let's have a detailed view of the stages of human embryogenesis. There are 3 stages. The pre-embryo at weeks 0 to 2. The embryo at weeks 2 to 8. And the fetus at weeks 8 to 38. So, this was all. In our next video, we will talk about the pre-embryo development.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.